Here are 5 DIY Oreo hacks to enhance your snacking experience and bring a creative twist to a classic treat. First, Oreo Ice Cream Sandwiches. Easily create an indulgent dessert by separating Oreos, adding a scoop of your favorite ice cream in between, and pressing them back together. Freeze for an hour and enjoy. Secondly, Oreo Milkshake. Blend Oreos with vanilla ice cream and milk to create a thick, delicious milkshake. Add whipped cream and an Oreo on top for garnish. Thirdly, Oreo Truffles. Crush Oreos and mix them with softened cream cheese. Roll the mixture into balls, chill them, and then dip them in melted chocolate. Let them harden and enjoy a bite-sized treat. Fourthly, Oreo Pancakes. Add crushed Oreos into your pancake batter to create a deliciously unique breakfast. Top with whipped cream and additional crushed Oreos. Lastly, Oreo Bark. Melt white or milk chocolate and stir in crushed Oreos. Spread the mixture on a tray and let it set in the fridge before breaking it into pieces. These simple and delicious hacks will take your Oreo experience to the next level.